welcome to the channel. This is part 3 of my AliExpress cable unboxing. I can't remember what was the other one I ordered. Oh right, 2 USB-C cables. I think these are 2 or 3 feet cables. Yeah, because I have some very short ones, but I can run these independently. I got one for the monitor as a power cable, and then this one, what did I get this one for? Maybe as an extra? Yeah, I think I got this one maybe as an extra. I had a purpose for it. Oh, the Xbox controller. Right. I should have gotten 3 of these. Yeah. So I have two Xbox controllers. But then again, I also have AA batteries, but yeah. I only got 2 of these. Should have grabbed a 3rd. Oh, I might order another one then. Actually, maybe I should order more. Because I found a couple of my, well, I got a little bit of hiccups. I found a couple of my Nintendo Switch controllers connect to my Steam Deck, no problem. My red and blue controller, I'm having issues connecting it. I might do a separate video on that one. Yeah, these cables will come in handy because I have a collection of short cables that are only like maybe 0.3 meters. Yeah. So that's like what, that's 300 centimeters, no, 0.3 meters. That's 30 centimeters, that's about a foot. Basically 1 foot cables. So yeah, these are like 2 or 3. Let me see, does it say? It does not. Alright. Well, anyways, I think that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and have a good one.